Hey guys, so today I have got the March Witchbox to show you. So for anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box, but they do post it worldwide. To the UK it's £29 including shipping. To Europe it is £20.83 plus shipping and taxes, and to the rest of the world it's £38 including shipping. So like I said, this is the March box, and I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but it is way bigger than usual. Apparently the value of this one is roughly about £84, which sounds amazing. I haven't opened it yet. I have no idea what is in here. I don't know the theme, anything like that, so we are going to open it together. So right on the top we have our little booklet. It says the theme for this one is Earth Element, and in here it tells you what is in the box, and it has kind of how to use it through the month sort of little description in there. So that's our little booklet, and then this is what it looks like inside. So I'm going to move all of this packing off the top. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing on the top is our little spell kit for the month, and this one is a headache relief spell kit. I 100% need this. I get the worst migraines sometimes, so this sounds really cool. I'm going to open it up and show you what is in here. So in here we have our little instruction card. I will hold this up in a second so you can read it. But we have also got a tiny, teeny little crystal skull, which looks like this. We have a silver skull charm, which looks like this. I'm trying to not lose them because they're teeny tiny. We have some red cord. We have some dried peppermint, and we have a little red bag as well. And then this is what the instructions say in case anyone wants to pause and read it. So that is our headache relief spell kit. Then next we have a really cute little charm bracelet. It says use to collect your magical charms, wear as a bracelet or hang in your home, and it's silver plated apparently. It doesn't have any charms on here yet, it's just the actual bracelet itself, like this. It's super shiny. It's not really showing up very well on camera, but very pretty though. Just a simple little bracelet. I like that. Then we have, I thought this was a little art print, but apparently it's a positive affirmation card. It says write your positive thoughts here and repeat them to yourself each morning. You could also definitely use this as a little art print. It says Earth at the top, and it's got a little lady holding the world. So that is that. And then we also have this print as well. I think we got one very similar to this in one of the last boxes, except this is the Earth Element version. So it has plants and herbs, colours, zodiac, chakra, symbolism, and crystals on there. Then next we have our little enamel pin. So this one is an Earth Element pin badge. It's got a little cauldron with the Earth Element and then some herbs and leaves at the top up there. And then we have another layer of tissue paper here, which is green, and lots more worms. And then we have our crystal or gemstone. So this one is a unikite. Hopefully I am not absolutely butchering that. It is green and orange, giving me Halloween-y vibes. And I will read the little card for the unikite. So it says this semi-precious stone was discovered in the USA in the Unica Mountains, hence its name. Often used in jewellery and sometimes in architecture, it has a mottled pink and green appearance. Oh, I would definitely have said that was orange, honestly, but I guess it's supposed to be a pinky kind of rosy colour. It's believed to be a grounding stone in the sense that it can balance the emotions and attune them with spirituality. It is also useful in opening the third eye and can be used to aid divination as well as spiritual growth. It can also aid clear vision, helping you see what is holding you back or getting in your way. Strongly aligned with earth, it is handy to keep alongside you when gardening, holding your hand when you're confused, bewildered, or making an emotional decision. Keep close to your heart if you're suffering from a loss or a heartbreak, and use in spells for divination, spiritual connection, and removing emotional blockages. So that is our little gemstone. Then next we have a little charm. So I'm assuming that this is for that bracelet, which is really cute. It says magical charm and it's in a little box. Oh, and in here, I'll just leave it as it is actually, we have a little pentacle charm, which is super cute. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's got a little clasp on the top like this. I'll put it on here so you can see what it's going to look like. So that is what the first charm on our little charm bracelet looks like. I actually love that. I hope that they keep doing like a different charm every month or something. I think that's really cute. So there is that. Then next we have a huge item, which is probably why this box is so big. It is a big wooden box and it says magical herbs on the top. So I will get it out of this packaging and we'll have a proper look at it. Okay, this is way cuter than I was expecting. So it's a wooden box, as you can see. It says magical herbs on the front and it's hinged, and when you open it up, it's got all different little compartments with herbs in it. How cute is that? So we've got 6 compartments. We have a huge bag of rose petals. Look how big that bag is. That's for love, happiness, blessings and family. We have a bag of dead sea salt. That is for cleansing, purification, healing and banishing. We have a bag of vervain. I have seen this on Vampire Diaries, I believe. That is for focus and magical intent and spiritual connection. We have a bag of parsley. Chili, my rabbit, likes parsley. This is for death, rebirth, love and fertility. We have some licorice root. I love licorice. This one is for power, persuasion, control and romance. And we have some thyme. Chili also loves thyme too. This is for courage, strength, health and psychic abilities. So that is adorable. Really cute little magical herbs box. Love that. Then next to go, I'm assuming with that, we have a tiny little wooden scoop. I would probably keep this in that box with them because it's so cute and I feel like that's what you would use it for. It has a little tree charm up here and you would just use this to scoop out the herbs for your spells or whatever you're using them for. And I believe that is it. We just have our scroll to go. So I will hold this up in case anyone wants to read it. So this one is about connecting with Earth. So yeah, that was everything in the Witchbox for March. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the Headache Relief Spell Kit. We had the Element of Earth little art print card with information on there. We had the Earth Positive Affirmation card, the little pin badge, the Unikite gemstone, the little silver plated charm bracelet, the very cute little pentacle magical charm to go on our bracelet, the teeny tiny little wooden scoop, the scroll, and our huge wooden herb box filled with all different kinds of herbs. So that was everything in the Witchbox for March. Absolutely loved this one. I think this is probably my favourite one that I've had from them. The scoop is adorable. The box is amazing. I really just thought it was going to be like an empty box, not compartments of herbs. The charm and the bracelet, love those. I would definitely wear that, and I really hope that they keep doing different charms for it. That'd be really cute. Yeah, I thought this was a really, really good one. For £29 to the UK, that's an amazing deal. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information for them in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.